Finding a rough diamond in nature is rare, but many people discover stones that look similar to diamonds. If you want to check whether a stone could be a rough diamond, there are a few simple tests you can try at home. These methods are not 100% definitive, but they can help you recognize signs of a possible rough diamond. 1. Look at the crystal shape. Rough diamonds often form in natural crystal shapes. The most common shape is octahedral, meaning it looks like two pyramids joined at their bases. The surfaces may look slightly smooth and geometric rather than completely random. 2. Check the shine. Unlike polished diamonds, rough diamonds usually have a greasy or waxy luster instead of a bright sparkle. When you hold the stone under light, it may look slightly shiny, but not like glass. 3. Perform the fog test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. 1. Hold the stone close to your mouth. 2. Breathe on it like you are fogging a mirror. If the fog disappears almost instantly, the stone may be a diamond. If the fog stays for several seconds, it is probably another mineral. 4. Test the hardness. Scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural mineral. A rough diamond can scratch glass or many other stones. Carefully try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If it leaves a mark, it could be a very hard mineral, possibly a diamond. 5. Check transparency. Most rough diamonds are not perfectly clear. They often look cloudy or slightly translucent. If the stone looks perfectly transparent like glass, it might not be a rough diamond. 6. Use the water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Because diamonds are dense, they usually sink quickly to the bottom. However, many other stones also sink, so this test is only an indicator. 7. Examine with a magnifying glass. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. Real rough diamonds often show natural irregular surfaces, small inclusions, or triangular growth patterns called trigons. Important tip. Even if a stone passes several of these tests, the only way to confirm if it is a real diamond is by having it examined by a professional gemologist or jeweler using specialized equipment. Conclusion: identifying rough diamonds at home can be exciting and educational. By checking the crystal shape, luster, hardness, and reaction to heat, you can get clues about whether your stone might be a diamond. If you believe you have found something special, the best step is to take it to an expert for a professional evaluation.